Hi everyone, I am York. I am the Service Department Manager here at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to show you the Triplett WireMaster XR-5. This will test 5 types of cable: 1394, USB, RJ45, BNC coaxial, and RJ11. It has a built-in battery test function and simple one-button test for easy operation. It has a nice ergonomic feel. It has a 600-foot test distance, and it checks for continuity, miswiring, opens, shorts, crossover, and grounding. This will also test shields in 1394 and USB cables. This will test shielded STP or unshielded UTP LAN cables, and it has a 1-year warranty. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.